Hi everyone, so my name is Christina and I am going to do a presentation on my favorite people today. So these are people who are close to me in my life and who I care for deeply and who care for me deeply. And so on this first page I just decided to put a couple pictures of a little snapshot of what we'll dive into later. But up here, these are the three girls that I nanny. We get to spend almost every day with them. And then this is a picture of my family right here. And then down here is a picture of my brother and I. And so on this slide, I kind of wanted it to be for my parents. So over here, this is my mom and my brother Ryan and me. This is when we dropped my brother off at college this past year for his freshman year. And then this is a picture of my dad and my brother and I on Father's Day last year. And this is a picture of both my parents on my birthday last year. And my parents have just been so supportive of me. They have always, believed in me and cared for me and loved me and showed me that. And so I feel very lucky to have parents like that, but also have both my parents in my life. And so this slide is for my cousin Nikki and then my brother Ryan. They're both Nikki's 4 years younger than me and Ryan's 5 years younger than me, and so I've kind of felt very protective and very motherly towards them for a lot of my life. And so I decided to put them in here because they are also two people who are very close to me and mean the world to me. So up here, this is Nikki and I on one of our family vacations, and I just love that picture because it just shows how much fun we have together. And then this is a picture of Nikki and I at football game last year, and this is my brother and I on his birthday at one of our favorite Mexican restaurants, and this is us at our Christmas card shoot last year. And then this slide is just dedicated to some of my closest and best friends. This is my friend Devin. We've been friends since junior high, and she has just been the best friend to me and always so supportive and always there for me no matter what. And that's us at her college graduation from USC last year. And then this picture is of two of my best friends from college. This is Jessica and Jordan, and that was at our homecoming game at TCU last year. And we got to see each other and hang out, which was super fun and just fun to be together and laugh again. And then this is my college roommates and I for our senior pictures for before we graduated. This is Lauren, Jessica, me, Jordan, and Megan. And then this is us again from our senior picture shoot. And they have just been people who were there for me through college. I went to Texas not knowing anybody and just felt very lucky to have found such great friends and great support system out there. And then next, these are the girls that I get to babysit and hang out with every day, and I just love them completely. They're who kind of put me on the path towards teaching and getting my teaching credential. They just show me how much I love working with kids and how much I care for them. So this is Kara. She just turned 3. This is Allie. She's 5. And this is Zoe. She is 7. And this is at a little birthday party that they threw me last year for my birthday. It was very, very sweet. And then this is Allie and Kara last summer swimming. And this is Zoe and Allie on Halloween last year. And they're just the sweetest girls. They're so smart and they just love me so well. And I love that I get to spend my days with them. And I love them so much, I decided to include another slide with them. So this is Kara and I. She's the funniest little girl ever, and I just love hanging out with her. And then this is Allie, Kara, and I. This was Allie's last day of summer before she started TK, so we got to hang out and celebrate her a little bit, which was super fun. And then this is us on Halloween, and I just love hanging out with them, and they are just people who were kids who have really encouraged me to get into teaching and shown me how, I just want to love and care for kids and show them the love that they may or may not get at home, but just be that person, that support system for them, someone they can trust and always be there. And I just want to be an advocate for kids, and that's why I'm teaching. So those are my favorite people, and I hope you guys enjoyed this presentation. Thanks.